Hello students, welcome to Top Scholars. Today, let us learn about spacing of objects behind and in front of. In this picture, the girl is behind the curtain, whereas the boy is in front of the curtain. So, did you understand what do you mean by behind and in front of? The girl is behind, the boy is in front of the curtain. Let's see above and below. You see a tall house where we see the girl is above the house, or she is at the top, so you can say above the house. Whereas, where is the boy? The boy is below the girl, right? She is below the house. Let's take next example of earlier and later. Now, we see that there was a tree which was green in color, and after few months it turned into red leaves. Maybe it was springtime and then it was autumn. So the green leaves turned red. Can I say that it was earlier green in color and later red in color? So we have understood earlier and later.
To learn more about this topic, download Top Scholars app.